Introduce highlight features or overview summary of EZUISVE wireless CarPlay adapter. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: wireless CarPlay adapter. Apple CarPlay wireless adapter can turn your car with wired CarPlay function into wireless CarPlay, no longer need to plug in your iPhone. There is no need for any extra drive or installation application. CarPlay to wireless greatly saves your time to connect manually every time. Free tangled tables and no more worries about fumbling them thanks to our wireless Apple CarPlay adapter. Wide compatibility. Apple wireless adapter for iPhone works with most factory wired CarPlay cars. Compatible with most models on the market. It has a dual-ended cable that gives you the flexibility to switch between USB and Type-C ports. To further confirm if your car is compatible with our wireless Apple CarPlay adapter, please refer to the picture of comparable models at the bottom of the page. Easy use and fast connection. Just connect the Bluetooth and turn on your Wi-Fi, and then you can enjoy a clean, wireless audio experience without sacrificing performance or convenience. This process only takes no more than 15 seconds. Our wireless CarPlay adapter connects quickly and automatically after first pairing. Our CarPlay wireless adapter supports voice control, Siri, phone calls, GPS navigation, iTunes, music apps, and messages. And the next highlight feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is compact and sleek design. Wireless Apple CarPlay adapter with lightweight sleek design which makes it compact and easy to carry around without taking up too much space in your car. The tiny Apple CarPlay wireless adapter is small enough to put in your pocket, convenient to take anywhere. Take the tiny thing home, you can enjoy more safer and more convenient driving experience by reducing distractions and keeping your focus on the road. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.